In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add bank transactions in Freeagent. This process will help you keep your financial records accurate and up to date, ensuring that your accounting reflects your actual transactions, even when they don't automatically sync with your bank. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your bank account within Freeagent. Begin by clicking on the Banking tab, which you can find at the top of your screen. From there, a drop-down menu will appear. Select the option labeled Bank Accounts. This will bring you to a list of all the bank accounts you've set up in Freeagent, making it easier to manage your finances centrally. Next, you'll want to choose the specific account where you'd like to add your transaction. Click on the name of the account. This step is crucial as it ensures that the transaction is recorded in the correct place, which will help reduce accounting errors down the line. Now that you're in the right bank account, it's time to add a new transaction. Look for the More button. It's usually located somewhere on the screen, often in the top right corner. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add Transaction. This is where the actual data entry begins. With the transaction panel open, you'll start by entering the key details. First, decide whether the transaction is money in or money out. This simply categorizes the transaction as either income or expense, which is fundamental for your accounting records. Then, select the date the transaction occurred. It's important to choose the exact date to maintain an accurate timeline of your financial activities. After setting the date, enter the amount of the transaction. Be meticulous here, as even small errors can lead to discrepancies. Following the amount, you'll need to select a category for the transaction. Freeagent offers a list of categories. Take a moment to choose the one that best describes the nature of your transaction, as this will aid in producing meaningful financial reports. Next, add a brief description. This step might seem minor, but a clear description can be very helpful if you need to review the transaction later. If you have a receipt or any relevant documents, you can attach a file. While this is optional, having a digital version of your receipt can be valuable for record keeping and audits. With all your details entered, it's time to save the transaction. If you have more transactions to add, you can select Create and Add Another, which will keep you in the transaction panel and allow you to continue entering data. If you're finished, simply select Create and Finish. This will save your transaction and conclude the process, ensuring that your financial records stay accurate and complete. And that's it. By following these steps, you can manually add your bank transactions in Freeagent with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.